Good, good morning, children. How are you all? Fair. Children, I hope you tried to do the homework. I'm fine, thank you, dear ones. Yes. Yesterday we tried to study about interrogative sentences and how to form the interrogative sentences. A quick recap. What do we understand by interrogative sentences? They are the questioning sentences, right? Now, I hope we understood. And the different kinds of interrogative sentences, what did we learn? We learned that interrogative sentences are of two basic kinds. One, the yes no type of interrogative sentences, or the sentences which evoke only yes or no for an answer. Do you know me? Yes or no will be the answer. That is an example of yes no type of interrogative. And the second type of interrogative sentences that we studied yesterday was the WH type of sentences, interrogative sentences. The sentences which start with the questioning word what, when, where, whose, why. Okay, these are all the types of the WH type of interrogative sentences. And I asked you to do the homework. I asked you to do the exercises in page number 19. I hope you all could do it. Today I shall just click a pic of my book and send it to you. You tally it with your answers to find out whether you could understand and do it correctly. Okay? Yes. You want me to discuss the answers with you at this moment? Rather, I will click a pic of my book. I have done it for your sake. Okay. And I will forward it in the group today along with the today's work. So today, because we are going to have a lengthy chapter today, okay. So let us try to concentrate on the 6th chapter. Open up your grammar book at page number 20. We shall start with the chapter The Noun and Kinds of Noun. You might be knowing what is a noun. A noun is a naming word in a sentence. It refers to the name of a person, place, object, thing, right? So a noun tries to do all these things. Right? The noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea, feeling, action. How? Let us try and understand the examples of noun to understand what is meant by noun. Open up your book at page number 20. We will find that nouns are of 5 basic kinds. The first form of noun, the first kind of noun is a proper noun. The second is a common noun. The third is a collective noun. The fourth form of noun is material noun. And the fifth form is abstract noun. Okay. Now, do not be confused. We shall go with each kind one after the other, and I will try to make you understand what are these kinds specifically. What is a proper noun? A proper noun by the name in itself is clear that any naming word, may it be the name of a person, place, or thing, has to be a proper noun. So, a proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, or thing. And such a proper noun, it is easy to identify. We write the name of a person, a place, or thing. We start it, we begin with a capital alphabet, right? For example, when I say Ishika, what do I write? I should be I should be capital. When I say Delhi, when I write Delhi, D will be always in capital. So a proper noun begins with a capital letter. Any name, Shankar, Uttam, Neeta, Priya, Mumbai, Kolkata, Jaipur, Delhi, India, etc. Okay, all these are proper nouns. The name of a person, place, or a thing. It is known as a proper noun. The second form of noun is a common noun. Now, how is it different from the proper noun? In a proper noun, we specify a particular person, a particular place, or a particular thing. But in a common noun, it is a name given in common to each and every person or thing of the same class or kind. Let's understand it with the help of the example words given here. Examples: man. Man could be an old one, a young one, a small child. All these are falling into the same category. Then, boy, a grown up one, a young one, an old one, or whatever it is. Then, girl, child, uncle, teacher, actor. You will understand it. Teacher. Sir and ma'am both are teachers. But the common word used for someone who delivers you information, who teaches you, is a teacher. May it be a male teacher or a female teacher. Clear? Then, village. Whatever may be the name of the village, right? Then, city. So many are there. Okay? Town, street, school, valley, etc. All these are the words or the name used to identify the category, the name given common to each and every person of the same class or kind. See how beautifully the difference between the proper noun and common noun is given in your book. Proper noun. Mr. Pankaj is a proper noun, while man is a common noun. So, what does proper noun specify? It specifies a particular person, while what does common noun do? Common noun addresses the same things of a kind. Tokyo is a proper noun, while city is a common noun. Got it? So, this is what we mean by common noun. Name given to each and every person of the same kind is the name of a group or collection of things or persons taken together and described. For army, army stands for, so a collection as labeled as army. Similarly, a bunch of keys, grapes will be collected bunch. Sixth, ruby, emerald, all, but all the students will be to the class. The group as class. The students of class 6. Then crowd into a group of people. A group of ships we called a fleet. Many birds coming together, or they will be called flock. Then the Indian cricket of players, the Indian football, whatever it is, a group of players considered as members of a team. What did we learn? The nouns bunch, class, fleet, flock, and known as collective nouns. The names of groups or some more example. Judges, jury, with a purpose. Mob, group of people, again forming a committee with a responsibility when people come. Then all the members of your family in your house, they form a family. Herd, regiment, these are used. You can hear me? Maybe the network problem. If you can hear me, words. So all these are known as a collective noun denotes the verb is singular. When I refer to a collective noun as collection in a collective manner, there is singular. When I refer to individual in the group, then the verb. For example, beautiful example 21. Once you can hear me, right? You can on my words. Network issues. The committee in its decision. The in its decision. Committee not able to hear and see. Can you hear me? Hear me? Is the audio working? Is the audio working? Network issues are always there, dear ones. Can you hear me? Voice is not clear, but you can hear me, or no? Now can you hear me? I suppose you can hear me? Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's continue. Let's continue. Let's not waste time. Fair. The committee is unanimous in its decision. When I am referring to committee as a collective noun, the verb is. That means the verb should be singular. Then, when I use the same word committee in referring to the individuals forming that group, then what do I use? The verb will be plural. The committee are quarreling among themselves. Thank you. The committee are quarreling among themselves. Concentrate on the audio then, dear ones. I am referring to your book itself. I am referring to page number 21 of your book. Okay. Thank you. If you can hear me, concentrate, right? Yes. Refer to page number 21 of your book, self-help column at the bottom. A collective noun denotes undivided whole, like team, herd, etc. The out on a picnic. The team well. Cattle is grazing. A bouquet of flowers is a beautiful gift. Now, the fourth form of noun, that is material noun. A noun which stands for the matter or substance of which things are made is called a material noun. For example, a book is made of paper, the coat is made of cloth, the table is made of wood, right? So the nouns are like book, coat, table, ring, they are common nouns, while the material with which they are made, paper, cloth, wood, gold, they are material nouns. Some more examples of material nouns given here are milk, rubber, oil, steel, plastic, water, etc. Okay, so material noun speaks of the matter or the substance with which the thing is made. A thing is made. Now, let us try to understand the fifth form of noun, that is abstract noun. Abstract means something that you can only feel, think of, but you cannot see or touch. It speaks of actions, feelings, and sentiments. So, in abstract noun, we get the name of a quality, action, or state which we can only think of or feel about, but we can neither see nor touch. Some of the commonly used abstract nouns are given here in page number 22 of your book. Quality. What could be the quality of a human being? A good man, an honest man, beautiful. So, quality is honesty, beauty, mercy, bravery. These are all qualities by which a person is known. So, these are abstract nouns. Similarly, action, theft, movement, flight, laughter, cry. These are all action. Again, abstract noun. You cannot touch it. You can only feel it. You cannot see it, but you can only feel it. Think of it. Then comes the state. Okay, the state of affairs like childhood, youth, adulthood, old age, poverty, boyhood. These are all the state of affairs which can be felt or thought of, cannot be seen or touched. That's why these type of nouns are known as abstract nouns. Even the names of arts and science, grammar, music, physics, chemistry, dance, these are all abstract nouns. Painting, okay. So all these are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns as well. See examples of abstract nouns from adjectives. If the adjective is a qualifying word. If a person is said to be brave, the quality of a person is said to be brave, the abstract noun that can be formed from of that adjective brave is bravery. It is this quality of the person. Similarly, if a person is called gentle, being gentle is a quality of a person. But when we talk of abstract noun, we convert it into the gentle word into gentleness. Gentleness in a person is the abstract noun. Similarly, the verb invent can be converted to abstract noun by adding shun, invention. The verb protect can be converted to abstract noun by adding shun, protection. Clear? Abstract nouns can also be formed from common nouns. Common noun, equal. Abstract noun, equality. If common noun, the word punish is a common noun, the word punishment will be the abstract noun formed from it. So today we studied about the five different forms of nouns. Okay, the proper noun, the common noun, the collective noun, the material noun, and the abstract noun. Clear? Let us try to do the exercises. Page number 23. Now we shall start with the exercises. Okay, this chapter. Okay, these pages and forward it to you yourself, you, or the day after. I will give it to you tomorrow, maybe evening only. By evening, you try to do it. Okay, by evening, you try to do the work. Then we shall it with the help of the exercise to you. Choose exercise number A. Choose the correct option. A noun which stands for the matter of which the things are made is known as option B. Material. Well, second sentence. Kindness is an abstract noun. This is an abstract noun. Similarly, try the next exercise. Exercise number B, C, and E. C, D, and E has to be done in the copy also. I will add it up in your homework. Clear? While we shall do all the exercises in the book. We will do all the exercises in the book. Choose one word from the box to substitute each of the following groups of words. Exercise number B. One who's able to pay debt. One who's unable to pay debts. Who's he? A bankrupt person. One who's unable to pay debts is known as a bankrupt person. Second, one who knows everything, omniscient. One who goes on foot, pedestrian. So I hope you understood how we have to do it. We have to tally the words which is given in that yellow box on the top, and we have to fill up in the blanks given in front of the sentences. Exercise number B, C, D, and E needs to be done in the copy. B, C, D, and E needs to be done in the copy. Fair. You refer to the notes I forward you today to make the matter easy for you. Okay? All the network issues or the problem due to the network issues will be solved when you just go through my notes today. Okay? Right. Have a nice day, children. I will forward you the notes. Try to understand it, help of the notes, and try to do the homework accordingly. Is it clear? Fair. Thank you. Have a nice day.